The Nothing Phone 3, expected to debut in 2025, is poised to redefine the smartphone experience with its innovative features and unique design. Building on the success of its predecessors, the device is rumored to continue the brand's signature transparent aesthetic, which has become a hallmark of its identity. Reports suggest that it will feature cutting-edge hardware, including a powerful 8-core processor, likely from the Snapdragon lineup, paired with at least 8 GB of RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking and robust performance. The phone will run on the latest version of Nothing OS, which is expected to incorporate Android 15 at its core, delivering an optimized and user-friendly interface. In line with the brand's vision, the Nothing Phone 3 is anticipated to integrate more advanced artificial intelligence capabilities, enhancing personalization and functionality for users. The company has also shown a strong commitment to expanding its global footprint, with particular focus on strengthening its presence in the US market while maintaining its popularity in key regions like India, Germany, and the UK. The device is likely to feature improved camera systems, longer battery life, and compatibility with the broader ecosystem of Nothing devices, offering a cohesive and interconnected tech experience. With its blend of innovative design, powerful technology, and user-centric enhancements, the Nothing Phone 3 aims to stand out in a crowded market, appealing to tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. This next-generation device is expected to cement Nothing's position as a disruptive force in the industry, delivering both style and substance in a single, compelling package.